Hello friends, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a fan or a subscriber, welcome back. Today's topic is going to be Neolithic Climate Change 2. This will deal with the Mediterranean. I am trying to get different areas of the world in the Neolithic. Ice cores in Greenland show that 8,200 years ago, temperatures in the North Atlantic plummeted abruptly and then recovered during a period of 200 years. Contemporary climate events are recorded terrestrially in North America, Africa, Europe, West Asia, and the Caribbean. What caused this cooling? According to Barber et al., it was caused by the collapse of the remaining Laurentide ice sheet, which allowed the drainage of two glacial lakes. This, in turn, allowed the fresh water stored in these lakes to lower the surface water density in the Nordic seas below threshold value for salinity-driven deep water formation. This caused a disturbance in the thermohaline circulation. The thermohaline circulation, or THC, are deep ocean currents driven by differences in water density, which, in turn, is controlled by temperature and salinity. An interruption in marine sediment deposition in the Mediterranean about 8,000 years ago points to an abrupt change to colder, drier conditions. In Greece, all pottery-bearing strata have carbon-14 dates not older than 8,200 calibrated years BP. All known early pottery finds in this area are associated with farming groups, not Mesolithic groups. On Cyprus, Calivasos tinta shows a lack of evidence for continuity between the aceramic and ceramic phases of the Neolithic. No sites have been located to date that could represent the immediate successors of Calivasos tinta. Carbon-14 dates from this site confirm that the pre-pottery Neolithic period on Cyprus ends abruptly around 8,200 calibrated years before present. Kataholyuk is a well-known archaeological site in Anatolia. Because it receives only a small amount of rainfall per year, it is susceptible to any prolonged drought. Kataholyuk was continuously inhabited for more than 1,000 years. Carbon-14 dating puts the end of this long habitation at around 8,250 calibrated years BP. Nea Nicomedia is an archaeological site in northern Greece and an alluvial plain and ideal for cattle grazing and utilization of marine resources. Carbon-14 dating indicates that the earliest occupation is at the onset of the 8,200 calibrated year BP event. The site was only used briefly, occupied a few decades at most, and is rather small, indicative of very few resources. Echelion is one of the most important sites for prehistoric research in Greece because of its extensive carbon-14 sequencing. The sequences begin around 8,250 calibrated years BP. Thus, we have strong radiocarbon evidence dating this settlement during the 8200 calibrated year BP event. Central Anatolia best shows the evidence of the 8200 calibrated year BP event. Kataholyuk East, the large and long-inhabited city, was deserted at this time. Following the event, the site was resettled, albeit slightly moved. Other archaeological sites around the Mediterranean also show signs of this event. Well, friends, I think that's a good place to stop for today. I have a couple of these left to go, showing how climate change impacts culture. And if you like this kind of content, please hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and if you would like to be notified when I come out with new content, please hit the bell next to the subscribe button. My email, Twitter, Discord, and PayPal links are in the description, along with the source link that I used for this video. Please remember I am now taking requests. You can leave them in the comment section, or you can catch me on Twitter or Discord. Question everything and never be afraid. Please leave your comments in the comment section. I love hearing from you, and I will see you next time, friends. Goodbye.